Okay. So bad handwriting. And now, okay, how clumsy. All right, let's see if that's right, Catherine. So what happened? It decreased by 9 and decreased by 50. So your answer was decreased by 59, and what you got was 530. So how do you figure out the actual correct answer, everybody? How do you figure out the actual correct answer? What do we need to do? We need to add 59, which means our correct answer is what, everybody? Our answer should be 589. Very good. So that's how you do this question with 3-digit numbers, okay? So guys, even though the question is very simple and repetitive, but guys, believe me, please put the numbers correctly in the correct place. And also, make sure you do know which ones are correct numbers and incorrect numbers, because you have 4 different numbers, guys. It is so super easy to make a mistake, okay? So take your time. All right, so now, yes, determine what's changing in digits and make sure you know the place values and go backwards to figure out the final answer. So this is your turn, guys. Read the question very carefully, please. I'll give you the options in a second. All right. Okay, so guys, the time is up, and the correct answer is actually C. So well done, guys, for those of you who got this answer correct. And let's do this together, guys. Let's do this together. So why is it C? So first of all, guys, you need to pick the correct numbers. 7 is the correct number in the ones place. So 7, and now instead he wrote number 5. Okay. And now, guys, the correct number in the tens is number 4. So 4. And now what he wrote instead is number 1. Okay, so now let's see what happened. This was -2, and this is -30. So the answer is 32. It's been decreased by 32, guys. And you guys should know that from this question, if you read this question carefully, guys, whatever Anthony with his wrong numbers, he got 700. So 700 was the wrong answer. So you need to fix this, making it right by adding 32, which means the correct answer was actually 732. So that's why the answer is C. Does that make sense, everybody? So I told you, you need to be very, very careful, okay? All right. Okay, so very nice. So let me show you one more time. Yes, you got it. Well done. So as you can see, 2 and 30. So you need to go back up by 32. So that's why it's C. All right, and this is, my goodness, an adamantium rope. And this is a rope that cannot be burnt or cut. So this is exactly what we need to tie up the pirates. Super, super savage and violent, guys. So not only they're shooting a gun, they're trying to, tie them up. Oh my goodness. All right. Now, when Jose or Jose added 2 3-digit numbers, guys, listen carefully, because this is actually a very, very interesting question. Now, yes, they're turning into a pirate instead. Okay. Now, he mistook the 7 in the ones place for a 2 in one of the add-ins. Notice it said one of the add-ins. And mistook 5 in the tens place for number 2 in the other add-in. In the other add-in, guys. So now, he got 300. What's the correct one? So let me show you the difference. So, guys, we have the correct version, obviously. And we have the incorrect version. And now we have 2 3-digit numbers. So 3-digit numbers. Have a look at this carefully, guys. Now, guys, as you can see, all right, so 7 in the ones place. 7 is the correct one in the ones place for number 2. Number 2. But, guys, in one of the add-ins, okay? And he mistook number 5 in the tens place in the other add-in, guys. So that means it's 5 over here. And 2 was the mistake, so it's over here. Guys, we need to work with 2 add-ins now. All of the questions was just one add-in. So now, if you have a look, okay, it's been decreased by 5, and it's been decreased by 30. So what happened, guys? What happened? It's been decreased by 35. And you got 300. So the answer is going to be, how do you find the answer? Well, if you add plus 35. So that means the correct answer is 335. But guys, let me tell you a little interesting investigation. So remember this, guys. Remember this. We got 335 as our answer. But guys, do you know what? It doesn't change the answer if you just do it in all in one add-in. Have a look at this, 5 and 2. It's going to be the same thing. So you can just stick to one method, guys, if you want. Look. So still minus 35, and you're still going to get your correct answer. What? What? So as long as it's the same place, it doesn't matter where you put them. Isn't that interesting, guys? Isn't that interesting? It doesn't matter where you put them as long as it's not hundreds or ones for 5 and 2. Okay? All right, guys? Yeah. So now this is your turn to do this question. So good luck. And I think this could be the last question, I guess. Let's see how the time goes. And I'll give you the options in a second. Okay, guys, so the time is up. Don't forget to submit your answer. Jeffrey, Sophie, Isabella, and Forrest. Don't forget to submit your answer. Okay, so now let's have a look at the answer, guys. The correct answer is actually... Oh, sorry. Oops. Okay, guys, I'll give you extra time. Okay, I see what the problem is. I've made a typo, guys. All right, is that gonna help, guys? So I'll give you a chance to change your answer if you spot. Yeah. So okay, there you go. Ah, sorry about the confusion, guys. You can change your answer if you thought your answer was missing. Okay, I'll give you extra more time. Okay. Okay. So, all right, guys. So sorry. The answer is actually 8. So well done, guys. It's actually 622. So okay, so guys, let's have a look at this question together. It's the final question, guys. So now, yes, good job, guys. We have two 3-digit numbers. 8 is the correct one in one's place. So let's put that in the first addend, and 6 is the wrong one. Okay, 6. And now 2 at the tens place, but it's the other addend, guys. So 2 over here, and 0 is the wrong one. And the answer was apparently 600. So, okay, now, so what happened? -2 and -20. So meaning it's -22. So Sophie, if you're going to go back up, you need to add 22. So that means your answer should be 622. All right? So A was the correct answer. Sorry about the typo, guys. Okay? All right. So now, yes. Let's see what happens, guys. So how did it change? This was the case, and 2 and 20, so difference is 22. So you need to add 22 to get the option. All right. So this one. Ah! The potion of truth. Okay. So if they drink this potion, we'll all know the pirate's secrets. So guys, not only they're going to harm the pirates, they're trying to, poison them with this potion to get to know the truth. Why so violent? Okay. So now, guys, don't forget, guys. Today, what we have learned today is basically when the addend increases, the sum also increases by the same amount. But when the addend decreases, the sum also decreases by the same amount. Remember the same arrow? But if you're trying to figure out the answer, always work backwards. Yeah, work backwards to find the correct sum. And let's see what's going to happen. So, guys, let's see. Will Wukong and his buddy still able to regain the treasure? Oh my gosh, the sound effect. It's so funny. Let's see that again one more time. Let's see that again. It's okay. Yes. So, all right. Mr. Polar Bear just casually having a gun like this. Okay. So, guys, that's the end for today's lesson. Don't forget to do your homework and see you guys all next time. Okay? Bye-bye.